Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the water filter on your Whirlpool fridge. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals where you have the notification that says order filter. And so what I've done is that this is the water filter that we'll be using. And I'll link this down below in the description, but it's actually fairly easy to actually replace. So you just pull this knob or this cap off, and then within your fridge, my water filter is located up here. So what you got to do is you just got to pop it open. So mine just flips open. You can see that the arrow points up. You're just going to pull this out. Okay. So notice how this looks exactly like this filter right here. So grab this cap, grab your new filter, again, have the arrow point up and push it back in and it should close. And there you have it. So now you've closed that, and then on your settings tab, you want to click on options, and then you want to click on filter reset. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and replace your water filter on your Whirlpool fridge. Now, once you do replace your water filter, I do recommend running about, I'd say like a quarter water into a bottle, just to kind of rinse out the filter to get started off with. So rinse about a water or quarter water into a cup, and then it should be ready to drink. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and replace this filter. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.